Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD online training presented by BIMLABS Engineering Service Private Limited. BIMLABS is an Autodesk authorized learning partner. Myself, Edu Krishna, working as the technical engineer at BIMLABS. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic plot. We are using the plot setup in layout option. So opening the layout option, then the next step is to open the page setup manager. Then modify here printer or plotter name. If we want to convert the drawing to PDF directly from model space, we should choose AutoCAD PDF, general documentation, or AutoCAD PDF, high quality print, etc. But if we want to convert the drawing to PDF directly from the layout option, we should choose DWG to PDF. Then we should choose the paper size. Here I am choosing full bleed A4 to get the full use of the paper. Then plot area. I am choosing layout itself and choosing the scale as 1:1. Now there is an option called the plot style table pen assignment, which means we must have drawn the model in different layers or colors. And we are going to learn how to print those colors. For instance, if we are drawing yellow on a black background, it will be much visible. But in white background, it will be much more transparent and may not be visible. So either we can make it black and white or we must change colors. If we want to make it black and white, we must choose the option monochrome.ctp. And if we pick the plot object line weights from the plot option, we can change the line weights of all the layers will be visible in the PDF. And if we untick it, it will not appear in the PDF. And we can also choose the portrait and landscape mode. Closing it, deleting this viewport. Now I am going to draw a circle in the model space. Coming back to the layout option and drawing a rectangular viewport. And double clicking inside and adjusting the zoom. If you want, we can switch off the grids. Then double clicking outside. Then in order to pick the plot option, right click on the layout option, then choose plot. Then continue to plot a single sheet. As you can see, it is similar to the page setup manager, but with the plot settings. Picking it to monochrome. Then we can see the preview. As you can see, since it is in monochrome, it shows black and white background. Now I am going to change the color in the model space. And turning it into yellow. Now coming back to the layout option, picking plot. And I am changing it to none itself. Then I am just previewing it. Now see, the yellow background is visible, but not that transparent. If you want, we can change that color. Now we are going to learn how to create a new CTP. For that, I am closing it, coming back to the model space, deleting this circle. Now I am going to create three rectangles and filling it with solid hatch. Picking the hatch option, in solid. Now I am going to change the colors. choosing index color and picking color number 11 on the first rectangle. Closing hatch creation. Again picking hatch, changing a color, picking color number 101, closing hatch creation, then the final color. Color number 171. Closing hatch creation. Now coming back to the layout option. Since it is in monochrome, it is black and white background. Double clicking it and adjusting the view. Now coming back to the plot option and changing it from monochrome to none. Then the preview. See, now all the colors have come. Now I am going to interchange these colors. I am going to change this color to 171, this to 11, and this to 101. For that, I am closing it, taking the page setup manager, modifying it. From here, come to the settings and saving it as CTP1. Now I am going to assign each color to different value. Taking color 11 and assigning it to index color number 171. Now changing the color 101 to index color 11 and changing the color 171 to 101. Save and close. Now see the preview. So since it is in monochrome, I am picking CTP1 and just preview. See, the colors are now interchanged. Now in order to print, we need to come back to the plot option and choosing CTP1 and print. You can say save it and the PDF will appear. See, so that's all about the plot option in AutoCAD. Thank you.